I was absolutely shocked to find this cow with her head lodged in the tree like that. She had somehow managed to get her head trapped between the fork and the tree trunk in a near fatal position. I honestly think she had given up because she was not moving at all. When I saw her, I thought it was already too late. Luckily, when I leaned in closer, I saw she was still breathing. It was me and a few guys, and we just knew we needed to help her ASAP, so we got to work. We tried to pull her head out to free her, but she would have been injured badly. The rescue was not an easy one, or at least way tougher than we imagined. When there was no other way, we ended up having to trim the tree using a chainsaw. It still baffles my mind, that poor cow all alone. Who knows how long she'd been there, but it was clear she wouldn't be able to escape the spot on her own. The tree looked small to begin with, but it was tough enough to hold the cow captive, and that too at such a tricky angle. I had to use the chainsaw very cautiously as the cow was extremely close on the opposite side of the tree. I was a little nervous as the blades got close into her belly. By the time I was halfway done sawing, I also had to make sure the tree doesn't fall in the direction of the cow, which could be deadly. I felt so bad seeing the cow. She was so patient the entire time. Poor thing. Then finally, it happened. The big branch of the tree fell backwards. The poor cow was finally free from the painful ordeal. And surprisingly, she hadn't suffered any serious harm. What an amazing moment. I'm just so glad we were able to help her.